So the first film was, in a sense, creating this caricature of the student, and in the 2007 film, we do see the caricature in real life. So it's a quite a depressing, dark ethnography of an election that Nitin Pamnani has created. And I wonder if people in the audience would like to take up something for discussion or some comments. Follow up as in what happened through the year? No, it was more. No. This was really, I think this was at a time when by then, student elections in many universities, but especially, I guess, Delhi University had really become, there was no difference with mainstream politics. There was absolutely no attempt to carve out a different identity. Idealism, of course, is a word that doesn't even have a place. It's I think cynicism at every level of people engaged in the politics, watching the politics, voting, so on and so forth.
He was literally forced to back out of the elections because he's from Bombay and he's a good educated guy. He's not like some of these, and literally they surround him and they're just like, "Ghera you, like, why are you doing this? Come stand in our party. Don't do this. Support our guy." You have almost no choice.
Seamless with mainstream politics, I guess that's the critical thing, and that mainstream politics can be that cynical and that completely devoid of any thought or ideology is all the more depressing when you see it played out in campuses, I guess.
How can the politics of the college make them earn? I don't understand that bit.
No, I don't think they're saying that they earn through that particular election, but there is another profession in politics. And I guess that's, for some, that is a stepping stone to that world where you're assured of, yeah.
It's very telling that they say that whether it's this party or that party, both are RSS. It's very telling because that's the way the world is anyway today, the world of politics.
Yeah, no, I don't think they were saying about NSUI. I think they were saying ABVP, BJP. That was what the BJP activist was saying. It was his quote.
If this is the staging ground. If
No. There is, of course,
someone
election.
is there from Mumbai or Calcutta, how he is going to get into the politics? He has to go to the Delhi?
No, I don't think that's a. There is elections everywhere in all universities, all colleges.
No, but
this just becomes a heightened space, I guess. But no, I think there's very active politics in colleges all over. Bombay has a different brand, but it's very much there. But yeah, it's just, I guess, a mirror. It's holding up a mirror. I think that's what the filmmaker was trying. He is from Delhi and Delhi University. I think he's just trying to hold up a mirror to the state of active politics in the country. This becomes a microcosm in which to think about it. I guess it's I think making us reflect on our own the world we are creating around us, I guess. I think that's why it becomes even more dark and depressing in a way. Whereas the first film comes from a very different time. It's of course a propaganda film. It's of course attempting to not talk about a certain idealism that was taking over, which people saw as not pragmatic, but whatever. But that film comes from a very different sentiment of wanting to say what a student should be. And again, as I said, the caricature they create in that propaganda film is the reality we seem to see play out. So that itself is a rather telling narrative, I guess.
As a filmmaker and a film viewer, I think the lesson to be learned here is that when the previous generation doesn't do its work sincerely, the next generation repeats and has to struggle the whole thing, the whole cycle. And that's when it occurred to me that as a documentary maker, I have said this very often on this platform, that you people believe in just showing the film and your job is done. Whereas actually I have always been saying, and so has Kunduji, that this is intellectual masturbation. You guys need to put a dabba here to take the suggestions, collect money, do something positive with the subjects that you all show. If this film brings that message home very strongly to me. I don't know whether it did that to you too. Thank you.
I wouldn't know what I would be collecting money for, but
Whichever the film, according to the subject, it could be suggestions, but to become a medium of change rather than just an eye opener and my job is done.